Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about Borrowell, which is Borrowell available to all Canadians? Borrowell is a Canadian financial technology company offering services primarily focused on credit education, monitoring, and financial product comparisons. The short answer to whether it's available to all Canadians is that most Canadians can use its main service, which is getting their free credit score and credit report from Equifax. However, available to all Canadians gets more complex when you look at the eligibility for their specific products, like personal loans or the Credit Builder program, which may have additional requirements. For the free credit score and report, Borrowell operates across Canada. It's an online service, so as long as you have internet access and meet the basic criteria to establish a financial profile, like being a Canadian resident, you can likely access the free credit monitoring services. Over 3.5 million Canadians use Borrowell, which suggests broad availability. When it comes to financial products like personal loans or credit cards available through their marketplace, Borrowell acts as a comparison platform. The eligibility for those products is set by the individual banks and lenders Borrowell partners with, not Borrowell itself. For instance, to qualify for a personal loan through a Borrowell partner, you often need to meet requirements like a minimum annual income, a certain credit score, and proof of Canadian residency. In summary, while the core service of getting a free credit score and report is widely available to Canadians, you might face eligibility requirements for other financial products featured on their platform. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.